Know that it's a week until Thanksgiving, but I actually have my Christmas stuff up. But let's not talk about Christmas right now. I was thinking about, should I just pull my old videos up and re-upload them to YouTube and see how many views would I get, or what I'm saying, just show the people the difference of the quality of my old videos that I used to record. What you think, Bougie? I don't know. But anyway, we should just do that and just make sure that. Hold up, I just thought about Bougie. You want to know something? I'm gonna re-upload my old videos and see, do my audience really like it? What you think? You think so? Okay, this was up. We can do the thing while you're looking out while I'm trying to talk to you. Yeah, I remember that video. There was the Southside fade. So that quality was a bit off, but you know what I'm saying? I upgraded a long way. So there's plenty more videos to come out, but I'm going to have to just upgrade my camera gear more. But I'm going to just continue to the next video. So I'm going to walk outside. So let's just check it out. I remember that haircut. That's that old kid and play. Yeah, my little homie Terrence used to come over there and get that high top fade all the time. And right now in 2023, I see a lot of mistakes that I could have corrected. But I think that video about like a couple of years old. But there's no mistakes because, you know what I'm saying, it takes you to cut hair to find out your mistakes in the future. So with that being said, man, hey, nobody's perfect. But it's just the point of. So, yeah, that part, man. So enjoy the next video. Okay, I showed you guys all my videos from the past. Now I'm thinking about something else because I want to add something a little extra to it because I just want to update you guys from the past to the future. So that means, you know what I'm saying, hold up, I think I have an idea. Stick around and you guys will find out exactly what I'm talking about. Let's get it. I just can't believe how far I made it with all these cuts, man. I mean, I've been cutting a long time. So, man, with that being said, let me just sit and think, marinate for a minute. Man, I did not know I was that cold in cutting hair. And from the beginning of time, from when I started cutting hair to right now, man, I'm untouchable, man. Let me go and clean up for my wife get home. Hey guys, look, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in on my YouTube channel. I just wanted to take you, you know what I'm saying, through a journey from when I first started cutting hair. Well, actually when I first started putting videos on YouTube until today. Because you know, the old videos I was showing you, those like 2014 or 2016, if I'm not mistaken, I forgot. But with that being said, man, hey, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in, watching my videos. I like to have fun editing and everything like that. So with further ado, man, may God bless each and every one of you guys for tuning in, like I said. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and turn on post notification because Black Prince the Barber, he's back. So with that being said, may God bless. Peace. Oh. Merry Christmas. Even though it's not Christmas yet, I have a Christmas tree up, but Merry Christmas, man. Peace.